Right, while scanning, I just show you what's going on there. Some kind of warning message. Right, not sure how well you can see here. A bunch of four codes. Too many. Alright, so I'm going to erase the codes and see what remains. Erase the codes. Now, which I did, then so let's see what remains. Lost communications. Alright. Sure. Alright, so I just noticed down there. So we're looking at the battery. Now, then somewhere close the firewall. Not sure how well you can see. Yeah, there's some wire is being chewed out. So, I wonder why. So let's look at it. So yeah. Yeah, I've removed the battery, so you can see clearly what damage has been done here. I have repaired the wires, as you can see. Right, so now these two twisted wires is badly damaged. Right, as we see, I have put everything back now. So let's see anything changes. I haven't tried the scanner yet. Hopefully I get some communication among some of the modules. Alright, get it in. Oh, so far so good. Pass in there. Let's see any. Oh, see. Aha, some of the warning messages is gone. Beautiful. So can I put in the release handbrake now? I have trouble to release electrical brake earlier, but now hopefully I can do that. Press brake and release. Yeah, press brake. Press brakes on. Press brake, switch to release. Okay. Which I did. That's out. Okay. Right. See if I can start the car now. So not messages on, no? Ah, awesome. I can start, huh? Beautiful. So I can release brace now. Yay! Power brace. I just released the power brace. Yeah. Now, yeah, I got a scanner for this full focus. Now, yeah, then erased. I have erased all the focus. All things are good now. Beautiful. Yay!